Welcome everyone to another episode of the journey through Apostolic succession. In the book of Acts, chapter 6, verse 6. They had these men stand before the apostles, who prayed and laid their hands on them. We see that apostolic authority is transferred through the laying on of hands, which is ordination. This authority has transferred beyond the original 12 apostles as the church has grown. So today, we hear about our 54th Pope in Apostolic succession. Felix IV was elected Pope in AD 526. Son of Castorius, nothing else is known of his early life. He was chosen 54th Pope at the insistence of Theodoric, King of the Goths. His papacy began on July 12, 526 and ended in late September 530. His successor was Pope Dioscorus. Felix entered the church at a young age as a deacon in 519. By 526, Felix had ascended to the rank of cardinal and earned the respect of Theodoric, the Arian king of the Goths. Felix instituted a number of important changes, earned a reputation as a statesman, and articulated several important theological positions. All of these actions contributed to his reputation and nickname as Definer of Grace, at a time when the early church was experiencing incredible turmoil. In the interest of protecting the fragile church, Felix cultivated favorable relations with the Goths and with Theodoric's daughter, Amalasuntha, who showed particular sympathy towards Catholics. As a show of respect for Felix, Amalasuntha gifted to the church two ancient buildings in the Forum at Rome, the Temple of Romulus and the adjoining temple Sacro Urbis. These now stand as the Church of Saints Cosmas and Damian. By removing cases against the priesthood from jurisdiction under civil law, Felix was able to obtain a distinction between the authority of the Church of Rome and that of the pagan empire. This was an essential step in asserting the independence and autonomy of the early Church from the control of secular rule, and would remain law in Italy for hundreds of years. Felix also demonstrated his intellectual and spiritual vision as a theologian in his writings on grace and free will, supportive of Caesarius of Arles as that bishop contended with the semi-Pelagianism and anti-Arianism of Faustus, the bishop of Reyes. During his short papacy, Pope St. Felix IV consecrated at least 39 bishops and 55 priests in what is widely seen as an attempt to ensure that his supporters filled the ranks of the clergy. He died on September 22nd, AD 530 and was buried in the old St. Peter's Basilica. The feast day for Pope St. Felix IV is held on January the 30th. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening, and please stay tuned for the next episode. Please like, share, and spread the word to everyone around you. For Christ and for Church. God bless you all.